So, you're going to grab yourself a stick and lie down on the floor. And you're just going to use gravity to help you kind of reclaim that overhead position. So holding your stick above you, trying to keep your back flat on the floor, keep your ribs on the floor. From here, just lowering back and allowing the weight of the stick to kind of help you start to find this position. Now don't force it. Keep them really intentional, really active, really reaching away with your arms the whole time. And if you get to a point where you can reach the floor without arching your back, then you can bring your hands a little bit closer and start the process again. So you're just kind of reaching down, allowing the stick to kind of pull you until you get to the floor, your arms are straight, back is flat, and you can make it a little bit narrower again. Now if these are starting to feel good, and it's becoming a shape that feels a little bit more reasonable, then you can start thinking about adding a little bit of weight. So that can either mean putting some little plates on your stick on the sides. I would put them kind of near where your hands are so that they don't move around. Or if you've got some small barbells that don't weigh very much, you can start with those. However, when the goal is to improve your flexibility very specifically through this area, don't rush into the weights, and also don't make it so heavy that you stop being able to get your arms into that position without compensating through your spine, because otherwise you end up not really learning the bit that you're trying to learn. If you're doing something else like pullovers, well, so there are a bunch of different pullover shapes, right? We don't need to go through all of them right now, but just so you understand, some of them having a bit of that arch is fine, and it's kind of the goal because you're doing more heavy. But for this specifically, the goal is for you to like build capacity in your shoulders and in your spine, and that coordination between your ribs and your shoulders and your spine, right? So don't rush it, don't make it more heavy than you can control.